In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Excel files to monday.com. Now, before we dive in, it's important to understand that the process of uploading an Excel file to Monday often starts with getting your data out of a board in the right format. That way you can work with it in Excel, clean it up or share it, and then bring it back into Monday if you need to. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly export a monday.com board to Excel, which is the key first step in that workflow. First, go ahead and open the board you want to work with in your monday.com account. Make sure you're on the correct board because whatever you export will be based on what you're currently viewing. Once the board is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 small dots, usually referred to as the More Options or 3 dots menu. This menu is where Monday hides a lot of the extra tools and actions related to your board. Click on that 3 dots icon to open the menu. When it expands, you'll see a list of different options that let you customize, manage, or share your board. Take a second to let the menu fully load, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. From this list, look for the option called More Actions. This is essentially a sub-menu that contains some of the less frequently used but still very powerful tools. Go ahead and click on More Actions. When you do, another list of options will appear. Don't worry if it looks a bit long. We're only interested in one specific item. In that new list, find and select Export Board to Excel. Once you click this, monday.com will start generating an Excel file that includes the information from your current board. Depending on the size of your board and your connection speed, this might take a few moments. After a short wait, your browser will download an Excel file, usually to your default downloads folder. From there, you can open the file in Excel, review or edit your data, and use it as a base to prepare any Excel sheet you might want to upload or import back into Monday later. And that's all you need to do to export a monday.com board into an Excel file, which is the essential step in working with your Monday data in Excel.